This highlights Jesus' compassion for his disciples, as he cares not only for their spiritual well-being but also for their physical and emotional health. Even though Jesus wanted his friends to rest, many people saw them leave and hurried in boats to where Jesus was because they loved him and wanted to be near him. This story shows us that even Jesus, who is God, understands that people get tired. His friends were working so hard, and he knew they needed a break. It reminds us that no matter what we do, whether it's school, chores, or helping others, we also need rest to stay strong. Jesus set a great example by working hard but also taking time to relax. We can do the same in our own lives.